Open your App Store or Google Play Store and update Telegram application to the latest version. Next, launch Updated Telegram. Open a chat where you want to send disappearing photo. Tap on attachment icon and select photo or video you want to send. Do not click the check mark directly. Instead, tap on the photo or video to open in the preview mode. Long press menu will appear with the option Send with Timer. Click on that. You can set photo to be viewed once for a specific duration. If you set it to view once, recipients will only be able to view it once before it disappears. If you set timer, for example 30 seconds, photo will disappear after a set time once recipients open it. After setting timer, tap on Send with Timer. If recipients take screenshot of disappearing photo, you will receive notification in the chat indicated that screenshot has been taken.